Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
At a press briefing held on the 3rd of August 2022, while referring to the recent message by an AITC MLA of the state on an AITC MP's concern for the state of Meghalaya by raising on the floor of the parliament the issue of inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, the National People's Youth Front spokesperson Bajop Pyngrope said that the same had been taken up earlier in 1992 when Manipuri was recognized and included as one of the official languages in the 8th schedule of the Constitution, and also in 2020 when Bodo was recognized as one of the official languages of the country. Pyngrope further informed that this same concern had been earlier expressed by MPs of the NPP on the parliament's floor and also by the MDA government in the state through a resolution that was passed in the assembly to pressure the central government to respond and act on their demands on the issue. Pyngrope also expressed his gratitude to the Khasi Author Society for spearheading the fight for inclusion of these two languages in the 8th schedule. He also thanked various political parties for their concern on the language issue and also sought their support on the same for the welfare and betterment of the people of the state.
All India Trinamool Congress karang thamai po state jongi te kadi kala joki hi bakin persyang banle politics yang bentah rei ni sotu syai ba kani om dire balaris dang deki MP joki AITC yang kamat ya kani ka mat ke badai sipang kani ka ketien ketlik jongi ki Khasi Garo laris deki MP jong baro artli ki house na Lok Sabha na Raja Sabha ki MP ki ba dena po National People's Party but ka MDA government hi kala ra ka resolution na post assembly pan kongu ya ka government of India man itu no ikine ki tien ke te ka bang yo I balik ngaong bakilia politics ki ong ba la thau history baka national party kala keren na manta ka state ke jongi rai ka National People's Party ru ngatrai barok kitip ba ka ka national party te la itu da election commission ju kari India I way legislator jong ka TMC ong kala la thau history tambanga nakaliang jongi ni sotu ba try ki diban pet ya ka election commission of India notification ba kino ki political party bla itu as national party but kata te ngi tipsha ba ka NPP ka dai ka wai ka bla rong po ka list ba ka la itu ya ka kum ka national party hadi kum ka NPYF ni pa ba kan urlong ken umdai tam ki chua kerana parliament ka chukun no amtan ngi pa ban urlong ba ken thau ka bill ban ba ken itu no ken ya tin Khasi Garo